Hey designers, in this video we are going to create this paper fold effect in After Effects. So, let's get started. Open After Effects. Select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. To center its anchor point, hold down Ctrl and double-click on the anchor point icon. Align the rectangle both vertically and horizontally. Apply the Roughen Edges effect to this layer. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Roughen Edges. Apply Roughen Edges to the rectangle. Increase the border. Select the Text tool and write your text. Adjust the font size. Align the text vertically and horizontally within the composition. Duplicate the shape layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Move the duplicated layer above the text layer. Search for CC Cylinder in Effects and Presets. Apply CC Cylinder to the duplicated shape layer. Adjust the radius amount. Position the shape at the start of the paper. Go to the Position property and move it to the left side where the paper begins. Turn on Motion Blur for all layers. Click on the stopwatch next to Position X, move 10 frames forward by pressing Ctrl+Shift plus the right arrow key. Move the shape to the right side where the paper ends. Select the text layer and the shape layer below it. Pre-compose them by pressing Ctrl+Shift+C. While the pre-composed layer is selected, use the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle on top. This rectangle will act as a mask. Go to Mask 1 Properties. Click on the stopwatch next to Mask Path. Move 10 frames forward. Add a blank keyframe. Come back to the first frame. Use the Selection tool to adjust the rectangle to close. If this video was helpful, like it, comment on it, and subscribe to Ace Designs.